Draw mode is the main mode in Grease Pencil. Let me show you before I start talking about it some settings for your pen tablet that can be helpful to work better with the tool. Set your pen tip to click for drawing and use other tools, and the back of the pen to erase. If your pen doesn't have an eraser, just use the eraser tool. Set the first button to middle click is the best way to navigate in the 3D space. Click and hold to rotate the view. Use with Shift key to pan, or with Control key to zoom in and out. Finally, set the second button to right-click to select object in the scene or to access the context menu based on your button selection preference. I will start drawing a character to see some basic aspect of the drawing workflow. First, I'm gonna add a new layer called Sketch to start playing with some rough lines. To start freehand drawing, just select the Draw tool. For my rough lines, I will use the pencil brush with a larger radius and a red material. To erase, you can select the eraser tool or just press Ctrl key while using the Draw tool to switch to the eraser. To continue with the character, I'll move the line layer to the top of the list. The drawing order of the layers are top to bottom. I'll select a black material and change setting for radius and strength. Sometimes the layers you are not working on are quite distracting. To solve this, you can activate Fade Layers in Overlays and control the opacity. Other times, what you need is to avoid making unwanted changes in some layers. For this, you can lock the layers you want one by one. You can also use the icon button to unlock only the active layers and keep locked all the rest. Or if you want to do this automatically, open the Layers menu and turn on Auto Lock in Active Layers. To start inking the character, I'll add another layer and select the ink brush. And to work in a bigger space, I will change the workspace to full canvas. In this workspace, we can still have access to our brushes, materials and layers in the top bar. For example, to hide the sketch layer. Using the brush stabilizer is really useful when you are inking to have a better control of your lines. You can activate it in the brush options or with the Shift key while using the Draw tool. But the most helpful tool for the inking process are the primitives. All the primitives have manipulators that you can use to adjust position and shape. When you're done, you can confirm with Enter or with middle mouse button. Use the E key to add multiple segments that will make a single stroke. Curve primitive combined with thickness profile can make a really nice and smooth strokes for inking. When you finish with the cleanup, you can use the Fill tool to colorize the drawing. Move to the Fills layer, select a material with a fill color, and tap the closed region to fill the area. Alt key can be used to create temporary strokes to close open areas. Or you can use Ctrl key to switch to Freehand tool and manually close an area.